Hollywood stars, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a really quick Halloween little look. So this is going to be a I'm addicted to plastic surgery, still very glam, but it's super easy to recreate. So stay tuned if you want to see how I achieved this look, and as always, don't forget to shine bright because it's Low Hollywood time. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a really easy Halloween look, and this one I think it's going to be really easy because you're just going to do like your regular makeup, so like your brows, the face, but this is going to be, as you can see from the title of the video, it's going to be a plastic surgery like excessive I'm addicted. So I'm super excited to do this. So we're going to use the Blood Sugar palette. And here it is, so cool. So let's jump right in. So I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go into the glucose shade, which is the white shade, and we are just going to add this all over the lid. And by the way, I did actually use concealer for my eyeshadow base. I love using concealer, like it stays on all day. Especially if you have oily eyelids, try using concealer because it's a game changer. And then for this step, you're going to take a little, this is like a little pointer brush. This is from Jeffree Star, and this is the JS14. So for this step, we're going to kind of carve out a like cut crease kind of, but it's going to be like more intense. So that's why we're using a pointer brush. So we're going to go with this Coma shade, or actually let's go with this Intravenous shade, if I'm saying that right. So this one right here. And we're just going to sort of dry it out. Make sure you dry it above your actual crease. Yes, this looks like straight up dried blood. And the cool thing about this look is that it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to be adding blood. Okay, and then I'm going to add a little bit of the red shade. So I'm going to go maybe with this Blood Star shade. Just on top of that, so it's like a little bit more red. I wish I could like blow my own lid, you know, so that I could take some of the excess powder off. And then we're also going to do like a liner here with that Intravenous shade. What's it called? Intravenous? I don't even know. Is that how you pronounce it? But we're going to use this as a little liner here. Okay, and then I'm going to take a little bit more and I'm going to sort of connect it up here. I'm next going to grab my Tarteist liner and we're going to do little like stitches, so like little X's. And then I'm going to add some mascara to my lashes, just my top ones for now. Okay, so now for the fun part, we're getting this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Sad Girl. So you're going to get the pointer brush and grab a little bit of this, because it's, you know, kind of wet looking. And just apply it over this line. for my waterline. And then I'm going to smoke it out with that same Intravis. I don't know how to say it, you guys. But that shade, okay? We're going to smoke it out. So you can go like super bold with this look, but the reason why I'm not going like super like dramatic is because I'm actually doing this for work. So I do want to be in character, but not like scary to where people don't want to approach me, you know? So this down here is gonna seem kind of like if you're injured, you know, because you just had surgery. So I love how this looks like. And take a little bit more of this fresh meat shade. This palette's like perfect for this look, like fresh meat. So she's still glam, so I'm going to take some Anastasia highlight, and we're going to be adding this right here to the inner corner. Do a little bit of contour with Hoola bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. For highlight, we're gonna use this MAC Show Gold, my favorite. Add a little bit more of the Anastasia on the nose, just on the tip. I'm gonna add some MAC 35 lashes. I'm gonna use MAC Night Moth. And we're gonna use Viva Glam 3 from MAC. I'm now gonna draw like little arrows, kind of like, you know, when doctors like mark where they're gonna like do surgery. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this super easy I'm addicted to plastic surgery look. If I wasn't going to work right now, I would definitely like do like kind of like this all around my face and definitely add like actual blood. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the look. Let me know down in the comments down below what you think of it and if you'll be trying out this Halloween, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!